And I finally slept over, guys. See, because when I snore, I kind of die. Got the mask on, my left cheek-cheese out. I'm like, oh! Ma'am, she went, oh! I woke up a Christian tonight, and I'm going to sleep a heathen. I don't like it, bro. Because when I go to sleep, you know, I snore cute, like the first 2 minutes. And then I do the... That's just me tying my shoe. Then your girlfriend taps you, wakes you up, Panda, Panda. You're snoring. No, I'm not. You're exaggerating, bro. She goes, the deaf neighbor's knocking on the door right now. Like, oh, he's exaggerating. I have rights. Has it been a Buc-ee's? I throw Buc-ee's for no reason when stuff's falling for me.